Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. So, I recorded my video on Bath & Body Works, I want to say, the day of the sale of body washes going for $3.95. No, I recorded the day before, no, 2 days before, and it went up the day that body washes were $3.95. And everybody's like, I know you're going back. I know you're going back. Yeah, I was going to go back for body wash day, but an emergency happened and I wasn't able to go, so I didn't go to body wash day. But I made it for soap day because I had a return I had to do anyway. Normally I don't do returns at all. I normally never do returns, but I'm starting to get into a habit. If I'm not going to use it and I don't like it, why should I have to keep it? And I just been, if it's something I know I ain't going to use, I take back. Or I don't want, or I'm not going to give away and it's just going to sit there, go bad, I'm going to throw it away. No, I can't do it. So I did okay, can I talk? I did an exchange. So they gave me a Bath & Body Works gift card. So I had a gift card for $20, and I used it on soap day, which I have right here. I ended up only paying like an additional $1 something out of pocket. But the day before, not the day before, 2 days before, I was in there with my coworker because she had a doctor's appointment. After a doctor's appointment, we had lunch. We had a great time. And then she was like, I need to go to Bath & Body Works. I need to get some stuff for my daughters. And I was like, okay, let's go. I'm in there. I'm just talking with the sales associate. We chopping it up, having a good old time. And then I end up spending $21 doing a 10 off 30. She did 10 off 30. I did 10 off 30. So I want to show you the 10 off 30 items I got that day. And then I'll show you what I got with my exchange and everything in from soap day. So the line that I fell for, and I fell hard, and she actually picked it up and I smelt it on her and I was like, ooh, I like Mad About You. And they had it on sale, all the signature retire fragrances for $6 at the Outlet Mall in Round Rock. So if you live in Round Rock, go to Outlet Mall, you'll get these items $6. So I got the lotion. I'm already using it. It smells so good. And the original price on this is $12.50. It was $6. The body wash, $12.50. It was $6. Of course, I could have got it for $3.95 that day after, but oh well, I wasn't even able to get in the store that day anyway, and I don't need anything. And $14 is the spray cost, but again, I got it for $6. So I got this whole line for $18, and I wish that I smelled that line previously when I went to get Mary Cherry Cheer, because I could have got one more item from Mary Cherry Cheer and got all 3 of these for free. When you make a mistake sometimes you make a mistake, and I made a mistake. But I was never into the Mad About You line. I smelled it before. I smelled it at the semi-annual sale, and I just did not like it. I don't know if it's because it was summertime, and since it was summertime, I was like, I'm not feeling this. But now that it's cooler outside, Mad About You, I love it. Y'all, I only had it for, what, since Thursday. I had this since Thursday. Look how much of the spray I done used. I'm serious about this. This smells really good. I really like it. So I'm hoping the body lotions go on sale for $3.95 coming in the next few weeks. I hope so, because I would love to get a backup of this in body cream. That way I don't have to use the body lotion right now. I can save this one for the springtime, and then I can use the full-on body one. And there's a couple other scents I wouldn't mind a body cream in, but I really don't need any, so it is what it is. So I got that set, and I picked up Twisted Peppermint. One is already out because I'm using it, and normally these goes for $12.50 online at the Outlet Mall in Round Rock. These are only $7. So you get a 2-pack for $7. And if you have to order online, guys, make sure you're going through Ebates. Ebates gives you cash back on your purchases, and if you use the link below, they'll give you, after you make your first $25 purchase, they'll give you a $10 gift card to a store of your choice. So I'll leave the link, my link below. But if you're going to order online, might as well get cash back for it. I just like going into the stores because if shipping ain't free, iron on it. But some people, the store is so far away. I know some people tell me on Candle Day they have to order their candles online because you know, their closest store is 45 miles away, 100 miles away, some crazy stuff. So I understand if you got to order online, do it and pay the shipping. It's cheaper than the gas, because either way you're gonna pay something. You're gonna pay one way or another. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna go on over to soap day. To soap day. Soap day. Oh my god, I was like, you know, I'm doing my little exchange or whatever, because the cinnamon clove, I exchanged my wallflowers like this for it because I didn't like it. Didn't give up too much scent, so I kept one set, took one back, and it was a candle that I didn't want. It was the rose, ivy rose or something. I didn't like the smell of it, and it was just sitting there, and I knew I wasn't going to use it. So I took those back, and that's what gave me the $20 credit, and then I ended up spending $1 or something. And I wasn't expecting to get this many soaps. I got 6 soaps. That means I'm going to take 3 soaps to my job on Tuesday, because even though I'm on leave, I still go up there at least once a week or meet with my coworker once a week. You know, because I enjoy my job, but I need a break sometime. So I'm going to take 3 soaps up there because they're out of soaps. So I'm going to take some up there on Tuesday. But the first one, lemon buttercream. I thought I wasn't going to like this. I was in the store, I was smelling. I was like, lemon and buttercream, who mixes the two? But y'all, this is everything. Like, let me smell. The lemon, you can smell the lemon, but it's not that, the kitchen lemon. No, it's nothing like that at all. And then that buttercream, it's just, oh, you know, like lemon cookies. You ever eat the lemon cookies, the iced lemon cookies? Oh my God, they're so good, ain't they? Iced lemon cookies. That's what this smells like, an iced lemon cookie. I'm hungry. This is good. This is good. I like it. I got cocktails and confetti. It says it's fizzy soda, sugar crystals, and fluffy marshmallow. Looks like that. Packaging's really fun. This one I'm going to break out when January 1 hits, because this just reminds me of New Year's. So that's when I'm going to bring this out. Candy cane Bliss. I just got it because the name candy cane is winter peppermint vanilla whipped cream. It's not a twisted peppermint at all. It's nothing like twisted peppermint. It's weird, to be honest. Like, I don't understand why they came up with this. It's weird. It's weird. I'm sorry. It's weird. I don't know, but I'm going to use it, but it's kind of weird. Got the vanilla snowflake. Cute packaging with a little truck. Ah, so cute. And it's creamy vanilla, toasted coconut, sparkling citrus. Vanilla snowflakes smell so good, and the packaging is really cute. So I had to have it. I picked up a cherry chill. It is so good. Let me see what it says. Does it say the notes? Where's the notes? Okay, black cherries, vanilla bean, and frozen junipers. I don't smell a lot of the juniper, frozen juniper, but oh, that cherry, baby. That cherry is live and in charge, okay? Oh, it's so good. It's just, to me, I'm just getting the cherry out of it. I should have got 2. Oh, this cherry is everything. Like, I'm not going to even bust this out until the beginning of the year. I should have got 2. Cherry chill, amazing. My last one, this is champagne toast. I mean, we all know about champagne toast. It is so good. It smells so good. It's bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. I love me some champagne toast. Ah, it smells so good. Again, this is another one I'm going to bust out after the new year. So after the new year, these 3 is going to get a lot of love in the bathroom and in the kitchen. But champagne toast is a classic. So that's all the soaps I got at soap day. But wait, I'm not done. I picked up a candle. As I told you, I was exchanging that one candle out that I knew I wasn't going to use. And I got this candle. Look at the top. So cute, so cute. Like the top, like the top. And this is Peppermint Marshmallow. And that's what Peppermint Marshmallow, if you guys can see, that's what Peppermint Marshmallow looks like. Yes, 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 yes. Retails for $24.50, of course. Who's ever gonna really want to pay that? So good. Like, it has a little hit of the peppermint. You get the marshmallow. What's the scent notes in this? It says made with peppermint and spearmint essential oils with notes of powdered sugar and marshmallow. They right. I love it. I wanted to get away from just straight twisted peppermint this year. I just wanted to do lighter, subtle ones. I'm still going to have that twisted peppermint going in the kitchen, but the lighter ones are going to be in the rooms. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So, again, that's what it looks like, and this is Peppermint Marshmallow. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from Bath & Body Works. Whew. Y'all, I need to stay up out of there. Like, I'm gonna go candle day, and after candle day, I'm gonna be like, sit down, girl, sit down. But then I'm lying, because when them lotions go $3.95 or the wallflowers go $2.50 again, I'm in there. And it's funny that the body care is not my biggest thing. Like, semi-annual sale time, that's when body care is my big thing. And not even the winter semi-annual sale. The one in the summer, that's my semi-annual sale that I love. The one in the winter doesn't have a lot of scents that I'm really crazy about. So I usually don't get much. So don't be expecting no hauls upon hauls upon hauls like you seen when I did the last semi-annual sale. It ain't happening, because the winter scents I'm really not into like that. But when we get to the spring and summer ones, yeah, I'm going to be in there. But I noticed myself, I'm going more towards just home stuff, things needed for the home versus body care. And I don't know why, but it is what it is. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, what are you doing? You come, you watch the videos, you watch the hauls. Might as well turn on your notifications. The bell's down there. Turn on notifications. Become a part of the family. I mean, we haul on here, we talk on here, and it's just good fellowship and conversation. So definitely make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.